Up until now, we've looked just at creating a storm sewer design, but InterHyd can also do stormwater management design. So for stormwater management, typically you're going to be looking at two different scenarios, let's say a pre and a post-development scenario. And the goal would be to mitigate the post-development flows down to some flow target. Typically that's going to be the peak unmitigated flow for the pre-development. So you'll see in InterHyd, up in this top right corner, I have scenarios. And right now I just have scenario number 1. So if we click on project and scenarios, we're going to rename this to our proposed condition, like that. We can also add a new scenario. I'm going to rename this one existing. I'm just going to use this move up button to set it first. And you can see I now have a blank scenario. So I'm going to go up to our images. And here where I've got my images, in this case I've added these ones manually. You can see I've got a post-development image that was added to our proposed, and I've got a pre-development image that I'm going to now add to our existing scenario. I'm going to click close, and you can see this, it's the same as the post-development, it's just it's left intentionally blank in the middle. So what we can do now is we can define our pre-development scenario. In this case, I'm just going to add a single storm catchment in the middle. And I'm just going to add in our land use. We're going to assume 2.1 hectares of just a lawn area. The 2.1 hectares is to match our post-development total area. And once you've done that, you can see here up at the top, you can start toggling between your two scenarios. Now that we're back into our proposed scenario, you can come up here and click on the Results tab, and we'll click the first one, Swim Summary for all scenarios. And this is going to show you a table that for each scenario, in this case our existing and proposed scenarios, what is the peak unmitigated flow for all of our events. Now in this case, if the goal is to reduce our post-development peak flows down to the pre-development, like a post to pre matching, you can see here that we are exceeding by about a factor of 3 times our pre-development flows. So we need to start introducing flow controls and storage to achieve those targets.